I bought this thing, the Osmo Pocket 4. It's not really the camera I wanted to buy. I wanted to get the 4P, but it's just not available in Australia yet. So I thought for my purposes, I have a very specific use case and I don't really need to wait for the 4P to arrive. So I got this instead and I thought it'd be fun to unbox it. I don't know that I've ever made an unboxing video. So this is a bit of a first for the channel. And this will be the part of the video where you see me struggle to actually open this thing. Oh, there we go. Easier than I thought. And this is the combo creator, or the creator combo, I should say. All right. So we've got a couple of bags in here, some instructions. This is the main attraction. So we've got the carrying case with all the stuff inside. Let's open it up. All right, everything's in its own little bag inside of here. Obviously we've got the Osmo Pocket 4. We've got the little adapter, which has the 1/4" socket for the tripod. We've got the magnets and the clip for the Mic 3. Got the wind muffs. Got the Mic 3 itself. We've got the little tripod, which is actually a slightly different version of a tripod compared to the Pocket 3. Okay, this is something that's relatively new for the Osmo Pocket 4, and that's the fill light. I'm not really somebody that films a lot at night, so this might be fun, but I don't know how often I'll actually use it. And essentially, that actually connects to the back of the Osmo Pocket 4 and it uses the camera's power. You don't need to charge this thing separately. We've got what I'm assuming is the wide angle lens. We've got a lanyard cable. And let's have a look at what's in here. Actually nothing in here. So I've got yet another carrying case. So if I need that, well and good. Let's just unwrap this thing. All right, a couple of stickers on there I need to remove. I'm not really sure how much charge this thing will have by itself, but let's turn it on. Okay, I've got to take this off actually. So there's a sticker, I'll take the sticker off first. Actually, I might even leave the sticker on for the moment. So this clamp holds it in place. I'm not really sure how this works, to be honest. All right. Let's turn this off. Powering off. Okay, so it does power off if the clamp's still in place. This is really interesting. And in all the hundreds of videos I've seen, I've never actually seen somebody take this off. And now I'm kind of wondering how to do it. How do we do that? You know what? I'm not even going to tempt fate. I'm going to just quickly look on YouTube as to how this should work because I'm a little scared to break it. Okay, so theoretically, if I put my fingers here and pull it out here, I've got that. There's yet another sticker to remove. Take that off. Oh, it goes all the way around. All right. Let's try that again. So, and now I've got a sticker stuck to me because of course I do. This is why I don't do unboxing videos, people. Let's turn it on. Okay, so I've registered the device in the Mimo app, which was kind of difficult to do with both cameras running. Kind of annoying. I don't love it, but it is what it is. Right now I'm downloading some firmware, so once that's done its thing, hopefully we can look at this a little bit more. But while we're waiting, it should just be a question of connecting this somehow. Oh, there we go. So I've got to actually unfold this, then put it on. And I guess at some point I will be able to, oh, there we go. I can turn that on now. So I've got the light. Kind of brighter than I thought it would be. So that's pretty cool. Oh. I'm looking at the screen thinking this is incredibly blurry, but yes, there's yet another sticker that I needed to remove. So I'm going to turn this off. Oh, actually, the minute I do that, I won't be able to access the sticker. So let me turn it back on. Let me just see if I can gently remove this. There we go. All right, now I can actually see things. That's exciting. So we've got different brightnesses of the light and looks like different colors too. So we've got, looks like 3 different colors of the light, which is completely screwing up the exposure on this camera, but never mind. I can turn that off. Okay, cool. So again, it's quite similar to the Osmo Pocket 3 in a lot of ways. I really wanted this as a second camera so I can shoot videos from different angles. And in a perfect world, I would have got the Osmo Pocket 4P, but it's just not really available in Australia just yet, and I didn't want to wait any longer. I might revisit that if it ever does get released here. I mean, fingers crossed. I'm sure it'll look really cool and be a lot of fun to play with, but I just needed something right now to work on these. So right now it's downloading the firmware. I'll let it do its thing in the background. And we'll see what fun we can have making video content with the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Osmo Pocket 4.